Hey everybody, it's Dr. Beach from Online English 12. This is just a quick video about how to get to Collaborate for our daily 1-hour classes. Don't forget that you're going to go to the Google Form student information sheet. I sent you the link in your welcome email. It's also here on the front page of Blackboard. Right here. And in there, you're going to get a chance to vote for the time of our daily session in Collaborate. It's going to be either 3:30 to 4:30, 4 to 5, or 4:30 to 5:30. So go in there and make your voice heard, and I will announce the winner by majority vote on Sunday night by posting it here in Blackboard. Okay, so how are you going to get there? If you've never used Collaborate before, you're going to start here in Blackboard and go over here in the buttons to the BB Collaborate button. Click that to open it up. And right here you see link to join. Just click that and you'll get a login. Please put your first and last name here because I have to take attendance in the session, so this is how I'll know you're there. So I'm going to put my name in and then click login, and it's going to download the session. Now that's because I've already done the launcher. So if you haven't done it yet, if you haven't started to use Blackboard Collaborate, you're going to click download Blackboard Collaborate Launcher. But if you've already done it, it may just do it automatically, and then it's hard to see because I'm recording, but down here at the bottom, I've got the little download. And depends what computer you're on. It might be down at the bottom, it might be at the top, it might go to your downloads folder. But once you click to open that download, you're going to get this. And so you're going to say, yes, run it. And then you'll wait patiently. And then you'll see this little sign, which means it's working. It's going to ask you what connection speed you want. Like, do you have wireless, cable, DSL? Click OK. And then this is our window where our class will be. So you will see yourself over here on the list, and you'll see all your classmates. The chat is where you can type a question or an answer, and then where it's white right here, when we have class, you're going to see a PowerPoint, and that's how we'll be kind of working through with the slideshow. You also have talk buttons right here, so you'll raise your hand using this little hand icon, and see that puts a little hand up next to you, and then I'll be like, sure, go ahead, and then you'll click talk, and then you'll be able to talk on mic. You can also use emojis right here. We don't use the video feature, so don't turn on your video feature because people find it's easier in class just to talk and type and not have to worry about being seen. So we're not going to use the video feature, but we will use talk, which means that you're going to need an external microphone like a USB mic or a headphone mic that plugs into your computer. It's also really good to use headphones when you're online rather than the external speakers. It just makes, when we're all talking, we don't hear background noise when you have a mic and headphones. A mic is a requirement of Online Campus, so if you can't afford one, they have some that you can rent for a really cheap charge. You can also get them super cheap on Amazon or at the store. It doesn't have to be a good one. It can just be a little cheapy. And like I said, it can be one that's on your headphones that plugs into your computer. All right, so that's where we will be doing Collaborate. At the end, it's going to ask you, do you really want to leave the session? I'm just going to click the launcher in case you haven't launched it yet. You're going to choose, are you in Windows or on a Mac? And then click download. And it's going to download the installer. And then you'll click continue, and then once it all works out, you will be able to launch Collaborate. So after you do it the first time, it's really easy, and it should just do it automatically when you go to the link. But I would try it before the first day's orientation on Monday morning, just to make sure you've got it under control. All right, any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you on Monday morning.